Hi everybody, so I'm in Shanghai now. Right, we just came up from a long flight. We are going to head to an instruments fair. So we come here so that you don't have to come. I've been here before, it's pretty big, but I'm going to show you now. So let's go. Alright, waiting for our car. Yeah, this is Shaoyong. So we are going to head to our hotel now. Let's go. Oh, look at our car. It's amazing. So right now I'm at the Dunhuang Xingping Fabuhui. This is where they do their new product launches. This is for authorized dealers like A-Tones. Right, this is happening in concurrent with the Expo. So at the Expo, Dunhuang has a huge booth over there. We'll also go and have a look. So this year's theme is Forbidden Seating Culture. All the designs, drawings and whatnot are based on this theme. So you might ask, is it just on the surface level design or the instrument structure as well? Sad to say, annually it is only for the design. Any structural changes for instruments are actually made incrementally all year round for all models across the board, based on the feedbacks from authorized dealers like us, the customers and their makers, due to the need to preserve the original sound, so this can only be made incrementally. Traditional instruments need to sound traditional. After visiting the exhibition and performances, we head to the Music Expo. So now I'm at the entrance of the Expo. It's a huge place. Let's go and have a look. There's a ton of people here. Right. We are quite excited. Let's go in. We are now inside. So on the right side, this is W1 to W5. These are all Western instruments, I think. Yeah. And you can find piano, violins and stuff like that. I'm not very sure, I'm not going there. Right, so there's E1 to E7 here. Yeah, that's where we are more interested in. That's where all the Chinese instruments are, right? You can see this little tentage here. Okay, not so little, it's actually quite huge. It just looks small here. But this is the Yamaha hall, right? Where you can find all the Yamaha instruments. Yeah, they paid quite a lot for this place. So, okay, let's go and have a look at the Chinese instruments. Let's go. Hall E6 Chinese instruments. So let's check out all the brands here. Right, I've been to the Expo before. This is not my first time here. I've been here last year and before COVID-19, and I hope there's something new. And if there are brands who are never in this Expo, especially for Guzheng, are you still considered a major brand? I don't know. Let's go and have a look. As you're going to see, there's all sorts of instruments in the instruments fair. For small instruments like hulusi, dizi, erhu, or even pipa, ran, right? These can be made in small workshops. They don't need a big scale factory. Whether they participate in the instruments fair or not, it doesn't really matter so much because many of them are small individual makers. But for Guzheng, it's a rather big instrument. They need the capital, the space, the machines, many makers and the economies of scale to make a Guzheng because they are big factories, not small workshops. To build the brand, build the reputation, build the trust, you need the Instruments Expo. The Instruments Expo is like a fashion show for Guzheng designs. They need to be in trend. There are hundreds, if not thousands of all these brands in China, but many of them, they don't even build their own Guzheng or participate in the fair. Right? They go for all the cheapest, low-cost manufacturing because they don't have the capacity to have their own factory. So every year we'll come over here to the Music Expo to find out anything new, to check out all the latest happenings in mainland China. This way you can filter out all the scammy brands around. If you want to know all this, right, you can PM us, we will let you know, right, because there's only so much we can show here. Right now I'm at Hall E7. These are the smaller brands, smaller booth. Right, so here's a map for you. Right, can you see? Yeah. So nothing of real interest for me because all our big partner brands are all in Hall E6. Just gonna walk around here, perhaps show you a little and then walk back to E6.
I'm back at Hall E6. Overall, we feel that the crowd is a lot thinner than last time and there are less participating booths. However, the place is still quite big. Right? If you don't know what you're looking out for, if you come here, you're likely going to be lost. It's like everything is the same to you. But it's not. To us, it's not, right? Yeah. Check out all the instruments here so that we can bring back and share with you and record videos and whatnot, and then we can sell you as well so you can purchase the best of the best instruments, best value, right? And we work closely with our partners to bring you the best instruments. So that's it for the video today. Do remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!